A civil authority has issued a child abduction emergency for the following counties/areas. Wisconsin, at 9:40 p.m. on December 14th, 2020, effective until 10:40 p.m. Message from IPOSCAP. A child abduction alert has been issued statewide for the following child. Jocelyn T. Van Dyne, age 10, female, white, 5 feet 3 inches, 140 lbs, brown hair, hazel eyes. Child was last seen on the 200 block of Fox Lane in Woolworth, Wisconsin, and is missing from village of Woolworth, Wisconsin. Last seen wearing a white t-shirt with Eiffel Tower image, black pants, and dark shoes. Law enforcement authorities believe the child may be in the company of Jonathan J. Van Dyne, who may go by the nickname Kyle or Wolfie, age 33, male, white, 6 feet 0 inches, 220 lbs, blue eyes with very short brown hair. They may be traveling in a 2014 white Dodge Ram Rock, Illinois, license plate 167,007F, and may be pulling camper. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Jocelyn T. Van Dyne, please contact Wisconsin Department of Justice at 1-800-674-9228.